Okay. So okay, now we got it, right? What is mean by array of pointers? You got it, right? Definition, you know, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now from this basics, okay, this is also the same program. Okay, now we look at the program and tell me, will it be an array of pointers or normally a pointers and arrays? Tell me, look at this program and tell me. See, hereafter I won't explain line by line and look at the program and tell me what all the concepts are there. Pointer to an array is
Sir,
also known as
array
array of
and pointer.
array and pointers or array of pointers.
So it
See, there
is
should be a
array
lot
and
of
pointers.
differences are there.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Sir, I don't think it's array of pointers.
How many of them are telling this is an array of pointers and how many of them are telling this is arrays and pointers?
This is arrays
Arrays
and
and
pointers.
pointers.
Arrays and pointers.
Yes, sir. Arrays and pointers.
Why you are telling this is an arrays and pointers?
Looking at the structures or what?
So here, just look at this one. How we are telling that it is an array of arrays and pointers?
So we're not using the pointer to initialize it to the first variable of the array at all here.
So you just look at from this line, how we are telling that this will be an array, pointers and arrays. What is this? So instead without bracket also you can write it as, okay. So int star a, this is the meaning. So for this line, okay, without bracket also you can write it. Okay. So how we are telling that this is not an array of pointers? What is this?
So you're initializing one pointer to an array of
So
size
initially,
5.
see, we should not, okay, why initially I'm assigning, okay, why this program, okay, this is an array elements, B consists of 5 elements, integer array elements, that is initialized here. I equal to 0 also initialized. Why A equal to A, says A equal to ampersand of B? What is this? What is the value can be, here it will be, for example, okay, here, okay, the address is 1000, 1002, 1004, 1006, 1008. Now tell me what is that thing can be stored in A? Since A it is array of pointers. Yes.
The of 0.
Okay. Address of B in the sense by default, okay, the first address of an array element can be stored in this one. So okay, so you look at this for loop and tell me what I'm doing here. Tell me here, what is the star bracket within bracket star plus I?
So star a plus I is in, you're taking the first element of that array
First
and adding
element,
I
what?
to it.
Yes. What is the first element? Star A.
Star a in this case will be 1.
Yes. At star A in the sense, it is denoting the first. Okay, first address, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is so 1 plus 0.
Yes, and then you take the pointer of that.
Yes, pointer of that. What will be the print? So you just look at this one and tell me.
So that's what I'm asking. What's the use of the other star? Isn't one star enough? Just star a plus I would do the job, right? Why do we need another star?
Star A plus I, right?
Yeah.
So what how many of them are telling this is a wrong one, or how many of them are going with an?
So I'm not saying it's wrong, sir, but I don't know why we're using another star.
So you just look at this one. Anyone can have the answer for this one. Why the double star it is there? Double star in the sense why are performing this one as well as overall
Sir, I
star
think the
is there?
star outside the bracket is for the whole.
Will it be?
For star a plus I, it's for the whole thing, and.
So you are telling that this one, right? Plus I.
Sir, in the printf line. Yes,
The
sir.
printf line you are telling.
Yes, sir.
Will it be like this?
And star A plus I, sir. It's to
So okay, here star A in the sense what comes into the here as per things 1,000, right?
Okay, so I got
yes,
so
it's
star
address.
A as in it'll take in the first value of that array and then add it with I, and then
Okay, just tell me the
it'll take
value.
the first value.
1,
So
right?
it'll print 1 first, yeah.
Yes. First, it will. First, you just tell me the meaning of this line.
So it takes the value of the array and then
1,
it
right?
and you and
No,
then you
no.
increment
It
I
will be
equals
an 1, right? So
yeah 1.
first address will be 1,000.
It'll
For 1,000, the
dereference.
value is 1. 1 plus 0, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Star
Okay.
A, it'll like the value will be dereferenced for A, sir, and then it'll be added with I and then dereferenced again.
Yes. You say 1 plus 0 is 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then what is that again star?
So I think that points to that you're pointing it back to that array so that next time the loop runs it'll increment and go to the next
First
element.
time this will be an what is this actually here? So here 1,000, right? Here star A is nothing but what is this I plus I? It's nothing but an increment of address, right?
Yes, sir.
It's not a value. 1 plus okay, this is nothing but 1,000. Okay, 1,000 plus 0, 1,000. Then star of 1,000 equal to 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So next time, so 1,000 plus what is the next thing? Next one. You just look at the otherwise if it is confusing means. And now look at this and tell me. Will it be an array of pointers?
I think yes, in your second line they have done that.
Yes. Here. Okay, the
Yeah.
same program only. Okay, written the both the way. If it is confusing means go for this program. Okay, so the pointer size is 3. You just look at this one. Const in size is 3. Okay, so the here the thing is size is 3. Okay, so array elements are okay. This is A of 3. Okay, if we, this is dynamic array initialization. So this will be 1,000. Okay, this will be 1,002 and this will be 1,004. Okay, address and all. Then what is this? Have used 2 for loops, right? 1 for loop for initializing the array of pointers. Got it? Tell me here. Here
Yes, sir.
ptr of I. Okay. ptr of I. Sorry, I equal to what is that? First one. Var of array of I. What is that array of I? Tell me here. First address can be stored in ptr. Okay, the ptr of 1 equal to first 1,000. Next time I equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 3. Okay, so ptr of 0 is 1,000. ptr of 1 is what is that? 1,002, right? Yes. Now okay, then ptr of 2 is 1,004. Got it? Then okay, now array of pointers stores all the array element address. Got it? Initially 1,000, 1,002, 1,004 can be stored in ptr of 0, ptr of 1 and ptr of 2. And after that, by using the another for loop, what I am doing it? First I am printing the value, okay, of an array. This is the one. Okay, next one. Tell me here. So sorry. This is the value. So star ptr of I in the sense. What is star ptr of I?
Value.
Value present in that particular address. Star ptr of 0. First initially I value equal to 0. Star ptr of 0 is, what is the star ptr of 0? What is the value
1.
present in that particular address? 1. Next 2, 3. Got it? Now we got it. The same program can be, okay, here this is what happening here. Got it? Initially here, this I is for incrementing the address and this star dereferencing operator used to print the value. Got it?
Sir, can you please explain the previous program, sir, which you have shown?
This one, Nada.
Yes, sir. It's just.
Okay. Up to this you got it. Up to this for loop you got it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next for loop. Okay. Next for loop I equal to 0. I
No,
less
sir. The
than
first for loop also I have some doubts, sir.
doubt. Okay.
Yes. Sir.
So now up to this you got it. This is an array of pointers.
Yes, sir.
This is just okay. So for I equal to 0, I okay 0 less than what is size 3, right? Condition true. So PTR of what is I value? 0, right?
Yes, sir.
0 equal to ampersand of array of 0. Okay, what is that array? Ampersand address of first element is
1000.
1000. That will be stored in PTR of 0. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Next time I plus plus, right?
Yes, sir.
No, I equal to 1, 1 less than 3 condition true. Then PTR of 1 is, okay, ampersand of 1. What is the next address?
So 1002.
1002 will be stored
1000.
in here. PTR of next 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Ampersand of
2.
2. What is that PI? This is A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, right?
Yes, sir. 1004.
So 1004 will be stored here. First, we are storing the address of all the array elements in the pointer PTR. That's what, okay, array of pointer, it is used to store the collection of addresses, right?
Yes, sir.
That's what we are doing here.
Okay.
Okay,
How do you
next,
print it, sir?
next we are printing it. That's it.
Okay.
We are just printing the values. Okay, here we are storing the address, and here we are storing the values. We are printing the values.
Yes.
Got it? Now got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now do you have any doubt in array of pointers now? Now look at the program and tell me whether it is belong to an array of pointers or pointers and arrays.
Array of pointers.
Array of pointers, right? Here the character here, which one will be act as a array of pointers? Which
Star
line?
names.
Star names.
Star names. In that I'm storing all the names. By using the for loop, I'm just printing it. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So here name of okay, here 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 or 4. Okay, name of 0 is Amit, name of 1 is Amar, like that. Okay, like that it will be stored, and after that I'm just printing it. Do you have any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
Okay, right. Shall we move? This is also an array of pointers concept. Just look at this one and tell me. Will it be an array of pointers here, this program? How many of them are telling this is an array of pointers?
I think no, sir. It's not array of pointers.
It's only an
pointers
array.
It's
aren't
arrays
used.
and pointers.
No, sir.
Only the
Pointers
array.
itself aren't used here.
Only arrays. Huh?
Yes, sir. Only
Where
array.
have you used pointers? Where you have find out the star?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Now tell me. This is arrays of pointers and are pointers and arrays.
Pointers and arrays.
How many of them are telling pointers and arrays?
No, sir. The arrays
Here,
of pointers.
arrays of
The array
see,
of
whenever
pointers.
you are finding
Yeah,
this
just-
one, okay, this will be an array of pointers only. If it is a single line itself, you can easily able to know. Okay, so pointer is there, array is also there, so that it is nothing but an array of pointers. This is a maximum of an array element, finding the maximum of an array element by using the array of pointers. How we have done this one? Just look at this one. First, as I already told that, first for loop for assigning the address of pointer variables, right? Tell me here, is or no?
Yes, sir.
This is for first PTR, okay, PTR of 0, PTR of 1, PTR of 2. We are assigning. What is the thing we are assigning, ma? Address of first variable, first array element, address of second array element, address of third element. Say it is 1000, 1002, 1004. Now got it? Then what we are doing? So this is not a maximum, just we are printing it. That's it. Okay. Just we are printing it. See, we can do, okay, here, are you able to perform any finding the biggest of array elements by using the array of pointers? Shall we? Tell me here, yes or no? See, with the help of pointer, you can able to perform any operations, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So why we are going for the pointers in the sense in order to decrease that runtime. Okay. So in so we can able to perform the same concept, but the pointer concept or the pointer things comes into the picture. Here instead of you should have to put star. Okay. What is the logic for finding the biggest among the array elements? Tell me here. How will you, for example, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how will you find the biggest of the array elements?
So you use the variable
So
called
you
max
start
and then
with-
from there.
Yes, max initially a of 0, right?
Yes, sir. And then you check if
Ah,
every
for
element
loop, okay,
A of I
within
is
the
greater than max.
yes, for loop, what you should have to I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, right? Then if what you will do? A of
Sir,
I
if A of I is greater than max.
greater than max or
Max, sir, max.
I plus 1, right? Tell me here, what's the logic?
So won't it be A of I greater than max?
Okay, initially, sorry, max, right? Then max
Max
equal
is
to
equal to A of I.
A of I. In this way, we should have to perform it, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, how will you change with the help of array of pointers? The same program, how will you change it? We have the pointers address, right? We have the array of pointers, so it has all the address of the array elements, right? So how will you do this? Tell me here, anyone, any guess, any Aditya Jain? How will you change the second for loop? I'm asking.
Sir, maybe you just use the pointers instead.
Here A of I, instead of that
Pointer
we can use it PTR of I.
Yes, sir. You use PTR I is equal to
Max is max
A.
only, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So after max
And then you
equals
check
A of
if
I, you can do
you can check if
PTR plus
star.
plus.
One by one.
So you can
After
check if
max equals
PTR.
A of
Max
I,
equal to
A of I or star PTR of I, you
star
can do
PTR of I, right? That's it.
you can do PTR plus plus if you do iterate it.
Yes. At last PTR plus plus, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
that's it. In order to increment the address, right? Got it. That's it. See, here directly we are fetching the array elements, right? Your processor should have to search, okay, go to the memory and it should have to take time, okay, in order to fetch A of I. Instead of that, what you are doing? See, are you able to imagine, can you able to convert this program? Can you do it as an homework? Biggest of array elements using array of pointers. Can you do this?
Okay, sir.
Okay, right.
So we'll try.
No. What try? A solution already I've told, right? Just try it. No problem. Huh?
So just in case it doesn't work, I mean, like
So then
if
you come
any of
back
us
to
do a
me.
mistake.
I'll yes.
Okay,
See,
sir.
whenever you are typing the program or you're writing the program, okay, you should have to, at the same time, you should parallel type in all-night compiler and see that whether it is working or not. That is a good practice. Okay. See, I'm telling to write the program. Write the program in the sense you should have to execute it. Manual iteration and all, you should have to done it. Got it? Array of pointers is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The same program. Okay, here also the same program. So this is nothing but array of pointer. That's character pointers. Character array of pointers. So that's it. Next one is void pointers. You just tell me what is mean by void. Void main, void,
Which don't
everything.
have
So it returns no value.
Void means
empty.
doesn't have any
No value stored in it.
no value stored it. Okay, this is okay. So void means nothing, null, right? So you just look at this one. A void pointer is a pointer that has no associated data type with it. Correct? So that's what we are putting it void main, right? So each and every function should return a function, should return a value. So void in the sense nothing to return. Got it? If it is int means what we will do? Return 0 will put it, right? Tell me here, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So void pointers, pointers now you know. What is mean by void pointers?
So
They point to null value.
Null value, then null pointers is also there.
no, sir, that's null pointer. This
Null.
one is,
See the
it doesn't
pointer.
relate to any.
values.
You just look at the first thing. A pointer is a void pointer is a pointer. Okay, it's a pointer. Okay, that has associated that no associated with data type with it. What is that? That can able to store any data type address. Got it? You just look
Yes,
at this
sir.
one. Look at this one. Can address of any type and it can be typecasted to any. You just look at this one. Integer variable is also there, character variable is also there, just named it as A and B. Integer variable having the value of 10 and character variable having a value of X. Now we just look at this one. So void pointer, okay, here you just look at this one. What is the difference between these two? So if it is an, okay, if it is an integer pointer, now what is the meaning here? For example, int A equal to 10. Int star p. What is the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of this pointer?
So it'll associate with the integer data type.
Very good, very good. This is an integer pointer, so it can able to store only the address of an integer variable. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So now we suppose if it is float star p. What is this? What is the meaning? It is a
Has
float
float
pointer.
data
It
type.
has to store the address of a float variable. Got it? Suppose if it is float b equal to 10.56 means the p is a pointer variable which can able to store only the float address only. Got it? So how we can use how we can fix the same pointer which can able to store all the address, because after all the pointer variable it is used to store the address, right? Tell me here, yes or no? Suppose if I want to, for example, okay, int a equal to 10, okay, float b equal to 20.56, char c equal to, okay, yes. Okay, suppose if I'm going to declare a single pointer variable p1, okay, p1, okay, I'm wish to store any address, okay, p1 it is used to store the integer address also. The same p1 it is used to store the float address also. For example, say 5000. Okay, the same p1 it is used to store the character of the character address also. For example, say 6000. Is it possible? The same pointer variable it is used to hold the address of a different data types. It is possible. With the help of void pointers, it is possible. So if it is a void p1 in the sense, what will happen? Tell me here.
So it
So
will store all the data.
p1 can able to store, because this is a pointer with this. So since p1 is a void pointer, so it can be no associated with data type, correct?
Yes, sir.
So it can support all the data types. So it can able to hold the address of an integer variable also. It can able to hold the address of an float variable also. It can able to hold the address of one character variable also. Now got it? Void pointer is clear. You just look at this one.
So when we use a void pointer, what would be the output of this program? Like if it says X, will that X be of integer type or char type?
No, yeah. Okay, you know the address, right? So with the help of address, okay, you know, okay, the pointer concept, it is holding the address, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
if you know the address, you can able to perform operations, right? We can able to fetch the value and perform the operations, right?
Yes, sir. But in this, when we use void pointer, what would be the output for say that
Suppose, for
program would work?
example, okay, suppose whenever when this pointer void pointers can comes into the picture, in the sense, suppose in your program various kind of data you are handling. Got it? For example, integer, float, character, okay, long double is something, okay, large number of data comes into the picture. At the time, this void pointers plays a vital role. So suppose some 6 data types are comes into the picture, okay, int, float, okay, int, float, char, okay, double, okay, long double. Okay, what are the other things are there? Long int, short int. So at this case, how many pointer variables you should have to declare it here? Suppose if it doesn't have void pointers. For all the data types, you should have to declare the
Yes,
pointer
sir.
variable, right? For in order to, okay, for this also the memory space comes into the picture, right? So instead of that, void p1, that's it. So p1 you can able to store, okay, anything, integer also, float also, anything, okay, like that, okay, p1 p2 like that you can give it, okay, pointer 1 point. So through this you can able to perform, suppose you are going to add, okay, perform operation with integer as well as float, in the sense, okay, you just initialize the address in the void pointers and perform the operations. Got it? Because it is irrespective of any data type, right? You can hold, okay, for your operation, okay, at the time you can initialize some address over the void pointers and perform the operation. Now your doubt is cleared or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you just look at this program and tell me. Why this program is getting error, okay? So the void pointers, some properties is also there for void pointers, okay? Here you just look at this one. This void pointer can holding the address of an integer also, and the same void pointer can be holding the address of an character also. This is that actually definition of void pointers. Some rules are there, some interesting facts are there. Some void pointers cannot be dereferenced. What is mean by dereferenced? Reference operator, dereference. What is this?
The address which pointer to the
Yes.
value
What
or
is
the
this?
Converting address value into its actual value.
Values, right? Very good. Okay,
Sir.
this is one called referencing, right? Allocating the address, correct? Tell me here.
So from the address getting the value, sir.
Yes, in star p is there, p equal to ampersand of a, in the sense the reference. Okay, so if it is star p in the sense, what will happen? We are fetching the value from its corresponding address is called as dereference. Got it? So if you are using void pointers in the sense, okay, you should not use the dereferencing operation, doesn't work. Okay, you just look at this one because it doesn't know the data type, right? Just look at this one, why it is saying error. So normal a value equal to 10, void pointer is there, in that I'm initializing the a value address of 10 will be stored, and after that what is this? I'm performing the dereferencing operation, right? Why it is showing an error? Void is not a pointer to an object type. Why it is showing this error? Because percentage d doesn't know, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's what it is, because void pointer is irrespective of any data type. How we are printing that? How we are telling that? Because in this pointer variable, you don't know the address. Okay, the any somehow address will be there. That address you don't know, right? Whether it may be an integer address or float address or character value address. Got it? So that's what it is saying error. You just look at this one. What is this? What is this? Why it is showing 10?
Sir, it's converting the address
It's
into
converting
int
the
data type.
address into int, and then the star pointer it is used to print the value of that particular address. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, telling the
Yes, sir.
pointer is storing the address of integer, and after that this star is nothing but it is used to print the value present in that particular address. Got it? Void pointer is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what is mean by null pointer?
Assigning a pointer to null value.
Pointer, okay. So null in the sense empty, right? So star p is there. This is a pointer variable. Suppose instead of that star p equal to null means what will this? So this pointer doesn't have, okay. See, whenever, okay, for example, okay, whenever you have initialized the pointer, automatically the address comes into the picture. Okay, suppose if you are not allocating particular address to the pointer, automatically some runtime address will be comes into the picture. Okay, comes into p. So in order to avoid that, okay, if you have assigned null means what is this? This pointer is, tell me here, what is this null? We don't, if we do not have any address which is to be assigned to the pointer, then it is known as null pointer. Look at the program and tell me. Look at this one. What is this? So these are all the various what do you call declaration of null pointer. Okay, the last you can take it. Star ptr equal to this you can take it. Otherwise slash, okay, this backslash 0 is also, yeah. These are all the various representation of or initialization of null pointer. Okay. Look at the program and tell me the output here. Look at, okay, don't, okay, just do the, okay, these are all the various representation. Okay, you can initialize the null pointer either this way, all are correct, but you can go for this way in ptr equal to null. That means this pointer doesn't point to any address. Got it? That is, no address can be associated. What is this? Tell me. Look at the program and tell me the output.
So it'll print the address, but then I don't think it'll print anything for value, right?
Because
It's because it's not pointing to anything.
it doesn't point to anything, right?
Yes, sir.
So
It'll print the address though.
It will print the address. Which address it will be print?
Of PTR.
Of PTR address, because we doesn't assign the PTR address also, right? Because since this is not a null pointer, correct?
No, sir.
Okay, since this is an integer pointer, so we doesn't initialize any address, right? PTR equal to, we doesn't do this thing, correct?
Yes, sir.
But
Okay,
somehow
so it won't have any address too.
No. That means that some address will be allocated. Suppose whenever if you have created a pointer variable, automatically the address, if you have assigned means that address will be comes into the picture. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, default address comes into the picture. That address will be printing here. Got it? How it will be printing the value? Because we doesn't point the value, right?
Sir,
This
it
is
won't print
illegal, right?
anything for value.
Yes. For value, it doesn't print anything. So if it is int a equal to 10, okay, in star ptr means it will be a thing. Okay, ptr equal to ampersand of a means if you are doing, okay, if you are doing printf percentage d or percentage p or anything, okay. And p, if you are printing ptr means it will print the address. Got it? Suppose printf percentage d star ptr means what it will print. Tell me here. This will print the address of a, right?
Address of A, sir.
Say
And the
1000.
second one will print the
Second
A
it will
value.
print the a value 10. It will be printing. But here in this case, we didn't mention any value because we didn't assign okay, any address to this pointer variable somehow. Okay, so whenever the pointer variable is declared, okay, some address will be allocated, so that address will be printed. But here this line you are asking to print the value present in that particular address. There is no value, right, associated with the address, right? So this is illegal. Got it? So in order to avoid this, what you should have to do? Star PTR equal to NUL. Got it? So if it is star PTR equal to NULL means what will happen? Here what is the address? What is the print output here? This is always illegal only. This one?
I think it will print the null value.
Null. It will print the null. Got it? Tell me here, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Look at the program and tell me what is the output, valid pointer or the value of PTR is?
Invalid pointer.
Invalid pointer, right?
Yes, sir.
How we are telling that? PTR is a null pointer, so PTR not equal to null. Will the condition gets true?
No, sir.
No, right? Because
False.
PTR equal to null equal to null, right? So the condition gets failed, so it goes to the else part and it will print invalid print pointer. Got it? Do you have any doubt? Null pointer as well as void pointers?
No, sir.
Okay, right. Next very important thing is function pointers. What is mean by function pointer? You know, right? What is mean by function? The C program. This is one of the function, main is one of the function, and apart from that, user defined function is also there, right? A number of user defined function should be there. It may be an any data type, okay, return type, okay. Int sub. Tell me here, what is mean by function pointer? You
So a
already know
pointer
about
referencing to a function.
very good. You already know about pointers, arrays and pointers also you know. Then array of pointers also you know. Then what is mean by function pointer? A pointer, it is used to denote it is holding the address of a function, right? That is called as function pointer, right?
Yes.
Am I right or wrong? A function pointer is always denotes something, right? Denotes the address, right? It is pointing to something. Okay. So pointer, normally the pointer we know, right? Suppose if it is a equal to 10 in star p, in the sense p equal to ampersand a. Pointer is a variable. Okay. It is used to store the address of another variable. Okay. Here an integer value something. So suppose array of pointers, in the sense, okay, the pointer itself, it's having the collection of addresses in order to store the another data items. Okay, so here function pointer, in the sense, tell me here, how these lines will be stored in the memory here? If you are running the program, if you are saving the program, okay, this can be stored in the memory cells, right? Tell me here, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it has some memory address, right? So function pointer is the one which is used to point the memory location of the particular function. Got it? So what is the output of this one? So normally we can create a pointer. Just look at this one. In order to store the integer address, character address, float address, we can also create a pointer to a function. Okay, the code of a function always resides in memory. This one I'm telling it. Okay, okay, which means that the function has some address. Okay, this one is also having some address. So by using the function pointer, we are getting by using this address, by using the function pointer, we are just storing the address of the function. Got it? So from where? Okay, directly if you are okay. So this one, if you know the exact address of this function, directly I'll tell you with an example program also. What will be the address here? Look at the program and tell me. Will it be produce an output or it will be saying an error?
Sir, I think it'll say an
Run
error.
it. Only 2 lines are there, right? Run it with any online compilers. What here printf, what I'm doing in print address of main function is percentage is p for a format specifier for address. Main is nothing but a function name. So here it is a function point. We are just trying to print the address of the main function.
Sir, it'll print
Will it be-
address the main function is, and then it'll print an address code. Like it'll print the address of main.
address, some address is coming, right?
Yes, sir. Some address is
So
coming.
yes. So now we got it, right? Each and every lines in the code should have the specific address, right? By using the pointer, we can storing the memory address of the function. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So the function address can be stored in the function pointer. So the function pointer is the one which is used to hold the address of a particular function. Got it?
So it's giving a hexadecimal number.
Yes. Address always be an hexadecimal.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Okay. For your understanding of only, I'm telling 1000, 1002 like that. So okay, this is the syntax. How will you declare the function pointer here? Look at this one. What is the syntax, ma? Return type. Okay, function means definitely return type should be there. For example, look at this one, integer. Then ptr. What is this? What is this?
So the pointer name.
Pointer name. So how this pointer name is called as a function pointer. Whenever in the programming language, open bracket, close bracket is there, means what is that? Hey,
It is
whenever
function, sir.
function, right? So pointer is there, so within the bracket, so it is nothing but a function pointer. This IP, okay, this is a pointer which is used to hold the address of a particular function. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so suppose if it is normally star IP means what is this? It's a normal integer pointer. Got it? This IP can able to store the address of an integer variable alone. Okay, so some bracket is there. So okay, this pointer is used to store the address of a particular function. That function is going to return a which data type? Tell me here. Hey, this pointer, for example, add function is
Integer
there.
data type.
So
This,
what-
with the
whichever
help of
it
this,
was specified with,
for example,
which is integer.
yes, integer. Add int a. Okay, here also int a. Something here definite. Okay, what is the category of this function? Function
They
with
use it
return
to find
type and
function.
with parameters, right?
Yes, sir. With
Okay.
return type and
So
parameter.
this IP, the star IP is a pointer, function pointer, which is used to hold the address of a function. That function is going to return a which data type here? Tell me here, this is a return type, right?
Int.
See int, okay, star, okay, the star, okay, within the bracket star p in the sentence, this is not a function pointers. So function in the sense, what is this? With or without parameters also there, right?
Yes, sir.
So these are all the parameters list. Okay, this function pointer is going to point one function. That function is going to return an integer data type. Okay, that function will acting as a, we take the input, okay, parameters list as only one integer value. Got it? Meaning got it? So int star IP. So int in the sense, what is the meaning? So IP is a function pointer. It is used to hold the address of a function. Okay. For example, say it is holding the address of an int add function. So this function is going to okay, return the integer data type. So integer is also there. Then this function, how many parameters it is having?
One, sir.
Only one
One, sir.
parameters that is there. Got it? In order to in order to declare the function pointer, you simply should not tell that IP. So since this is not a function pointer, definitely you should have to, since it is a function pointer, you should have to tell the return type also, what is the function return type, and we should have to tell that with or without parameters, how many parameters it is having. Got it? So like that. Okay, what is the meaning of this one? Tell me here. FP is nothing but a function pointer, which is holding the address of holding the address of any function which is having the return type of float and having the parameter of only one float variable. Got it? Tell me here, yes or no? Declaration part is clear.
Yes, sir.
So now tell me float star p. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Is it correct? This one is also correct. This is a function pointer. This function is going to return the float value and the parameter is a character variable.
Yes, sir.
This function is going to return the integer value, and this function is function pointer. Points a particular function which is having the only one input as float. Got it? All the things are correct. Now what is this? What is this? This is a declaration of function pointer.
So two parameters.
Two parameters are passing here. This is a function pointer. The meaning is this is a function pointer which is going to point this function which is having the return type called float. And how many parameters this function is having?
2.
That's what here it is mentioned. Got it?
So it means it will be converting into float, sir, while we are returning.
Where? No, yes.
Yes, sir.
If it is integer value, it automatically converted to float.
Okay, sir.
Here you just look at this one. What is this? Declaration of function pointer. This is a declaration of a particular function. What is this? Assigning the address to, how will you, sir, you are told, right? You have a question, right? So FP is a function pointer. You are telling that, it is used to store the address of a particular function, right? How the address can be initialized? So FP equal to, what is that? Function name. If you have given in the sense, automatically that address can be stored in the function pointer. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the note here? Declaration of function is necessary before assigning the address of a function to the function pointer. What is this? What you could understood from this one? What is this? Declaration of function is necessary before assigning the address. So this one is declaration of function is necessary. Float function, in comma int. This declaration is necessary before this. After that only you should have to declare the function pointer. Got it? First, if you are given this line now, it won't get, it won't understood. FP int comma int. This is wrong. After the declaration of function pointer, function definition declaration, after that only you should give the function pointers. Star P. Got it? So what is this? Calling a function through a function pointer. Look at this one and tell me. What is this? Declaration of a
Function.
What is this?
Calling a function.
Usual way, right? This is nothing but how we can declare a function and how we call a function, right? Look at this one and tell me. This normal thing we know, right? What is this? Calling a function using a function pointer. So you are going to call a function, So result is the one you are going to call a function. Okay. With the help of function pointer, you are going to call it. So star fp. Okay. What is that? A comma b. Tell me here, what is that A comma b?
Parameters, sir.
Parameters.
are
Before that, you can initialized, okay, fp equal to function. Got it? Like this.
Yes, sir.
Before that, we already initialized, right? fp equal to function name. Tell me here. So, for example, I'm telling it. Okay. Hash include stdio.h. Okay, here I'm declaring it. Okay. So float. So anything. Okay, float or integer also. Integer function. Okay. Anything function. Int comma int. This is declaration, right?
yes, sir.
Function declaration, right? And then void main is also there. So in that you are declaring the function pointer, that is int. Okay, star fp function pointer. Okay, int comma int. This is, what is this?
Function declaration, sir.
Function declaration or function pointer declaration?
Function pointer declaration.
Function pointer declaration, fp equal to function. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have given this one. And after that, how we are going to call this function? So for example, int result, you have declared it. Now I'm calling it result equal to, how I'm going to call it through how this function can be called with the help of function pointer. So this is the way. Okay. So star
fp of
fp int comma int. If you know the value, you can pass it. Otherwise, int comma int is also fine. Got it? Parameters only you should have to pass it. Calling means definitely not int comma int, value should be passed. Got it? So the function definition would be in separate line. This function definition here directly it goes to this function pointer, store the address of the function here. Directly it goes and fetches the function definition and it will run. Now look at the program and tell me. Tell me here whether this program having the function pointer concepts.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
In
this
the
is
second line
what,
they have.
this is a function declaration, right? And after that, this is
Yes,
a
sir.
normal variable, and this is, what is this?
Function pointer declaration.
Yes, declaration of function pointer, right? Then we are getting the a value, b value by using the scanf, and after that ip equal to add. Okay, we are just assigning the address. Okay, address of the function here. Then how I am calling it? Result equal to, with the help of pointer variable, I'm just passing the two parameters. So where the control will go, ma?
We go to
To the
Go
You
function.
go to the
What?
function call.
function.
IP having this IP pointer having the address of a function, right? This address can be stored here. For example, say 1000. The 1000 can be stored here directly. If you are calling this through the function pointer, it goes to the 1000 here. Okay. For example, here is 1050. Okay. So this is the line number 1050. Okay. So directly it goes here and it is passing the value of, what is the value? 4 and 55, right? 4 and 55. These are all the two values. What is the answer, ma?
59.
59. Return C in the sense, because it is returning the integer. So return C. So 59 can be here and the result value is printing here. Got it? Do you have any doubt in the function pointer? Do you have any doubt?
Also,
Now look at this one. Passing a function address as an argument to another function. What is this? Passing a function address as an argument. Look at this one. What is happening here? Passing the function address as an argument. Okay, the PTR is a function pointer which is holding the address of another function, correct? That we are passing as a parameter. Got it? Tell me here. So I'm not okay here. Okay, here. What are here? Normally we should have the habit of passing the parameters as data type, right? Int comma int or float comma float, right? Instead of passing this as a parameter, what we are doing? We are passing the another function address, that is void. Another function is having the void function. Okay, this PTR is nothing but the pointer address. Okay, sorry, pointer function which is used to holding the address of another function. The return, okay, the parameter is empty. So you just look at this one. Which parameter is matching like this? Function 1 or function 2 here?
function 1.
Function 1, because void, here also void is there. This PTR holding the address of an function 2 without return type, correct? Tell me here. So in the function 1 itself, I'm calling the address of another function. Okay, this function with the parameter, I'm just passing the address of another function. Okay, look at this thing and tell me which one will be execute first. Function 1 is called or function 2 is called? Whether this
So,
output is correct or
function
reverse.
1 is called.
How the function 1 is called? This is a main function. Function 1, okay, is called. Within the function 1 parameters, what is the parameter? I'm just passing it.
Function 2.
Function 2. Okay. So here. Now
So
tell
when
me.
function 2 is called, right?
Function 2 is
So won't function 2 is called be the
first here
thing
it will go,
returned?
here it will go, right? The parameters, okay, this PTR denotes the second function, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First this will be print and after that this PTR again it is called, right?
Yes, sir.
Then it goes here and it will print function 2 is called. This is for your understanding. Actually, this function is executing this one only. For your confusing for
Yes, sir.
a little bit okay, for making you
So, but
thinking purpose,
star
but
PTR isn't a function at all, right? It's a void pointer, right?
yes, it's a void pointer. Void. What is this void pointer? Void.
So then, what's the point of star PTR? That
No,
the
no,
line
ma, this
after function 1 is called.
this one, right?
Yes, sir. After
okay,
the
void in the
line,
sense, what is mean by
function 1 is
void?
called.
What is mean by void? It
So
is holding the
no,
address of an function. This PTR is a function pointer. You accept it, right? This PTR is a function pointer
Yes,
of
sir.
which function? This PTR actually a function pointer which is having the address of function 2, correct?
So PTR is a void pointer and a function pointer.
A PTR is a function pointer. Okay, this PTR is a function pointer in the sense it is denoting the function which is having the void data type.
Yes, sir.
And without parameters. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So here which one will suit for this one? Second one, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Okay.
now
Yes,
you
sir.
got it, right?
Got it. Yes, sir. Got it.
Do you have any doubt? Others? Only 2 people are listening, I think. Others?
Sir, no, sir. Actually, I did not understand it.
This one you didn't get it, right?
Yes, sir. It's
Okay.
confusing.
So okay. Now have you know the meaning of this one? Passing first line heading is just first heading and try to understand. Passing the function address as an argument to another function. The meaning is this one. Passing the another function address. Okay. Normally in the function we should have the parameters. We should pass it, right? That
Yes.
we can pass normally and data type only we can pass it. Got it?
Okay.
Here we are passing the another function address. So this PTR is a pointer function, sorry, a function pointer. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Function pointer, which is denoting the function which is having the return type void, the parameters with or without parameters.
Without parameters.
Without parameters. Look at the two function. Which one is matching for this one? Function 1, function 2. Which one is matching? In function 1, we are having the parameters. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Function 2, we doesn't have any parameters. So this one, this PTR actually pointing the function 2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So here we are calling it, right? In the main function, we are calling it, right? Function 1, we are calling. So where the control will go, here the thing control will go, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the function 2? I already told that this PTR, it is denoting the function 2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
That we are passing it. So as per the definition, where it will go? Here it will go, correct?
Yes, sir.
So here, while executing this function, function 1 is called. Okay. Actually, this is executing this function, but what is this PTR call? This one?
Oh.
The star PTR, right?
Yes, sir.
Star PTR is
Yes, sir.
pointing the function 2, right? Directly. So directly here it goes. It is printing the function 2 is called. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any doubt? Now array of function pointer. What is this array of function pointers? You know, right? What is mean by function pointer? You know, just now I explained, right? Return type. So in bracket, the function pointer, for example, IP. Then within the bracket, you should have to pass the parameters. This is nothing but a function pointers, right? So it will points to some function. Okay. So int add. Okay. Int comma int. So this is the one. Okay. This function pointer points the address, points the having the address of this function. Got it? So suppose in case, okay, IP equal to add. If you're having like this means this function pointer having the address of add function. Got it? Tell me here. Now tell
Yes,
me
sir.
what is mean by array of function pointers. Function pointer, you know. What is mean by array of function pointer?
The array which contains multiple functions, sir.
So
For a
star
collection of function pointers.
star P. What is this?
So it's a function pointer which has an array as a
Array of
parameter.
function pointers, right? This is
Yes,
a
sir.
function pointer. Then this is an array, so it is called as array of function pointer. Though here this function pointer only stores the address of only one function, right?
So shouldn't there be an int also after the bracket?
Will tell you. I will tell you. Now we just imagine that. Suppose if this pointer function pointer, it is used to, if we in this function pointer, okay, it has okay. If you want to store the multiple function address means this will be helpful, right? Tell me here, yes or no? Suppose IP equal to add. Sorry. IP of 0 equal to add. IP of 1 equal to sub function. Okay. IP of 2 equal to difference function. IP of 3 equal to multiplication. Got it? Now we got it. The program and all I'll tell you da. For your understanding purpose only, I'm telling as an example.
Yes, sir.
Meaning is clear. Single
Yes,
function pointer means it is used to hold the address of a single function. If it is an array of function pointer, in the sense it is used to hold the multiple function address. Got it? Look at this program. Well understood. How many functions are there? User defined functions are there. How many functions are there? Add, subtraction, multiplication. 4 functions are there. Then how many function function pointers are there?
So star FP4.
Star FP4 is nothing but an array of function pointers, right?
Yes, sir.
So this function pointer can hold how many address?
4.
4. That's what I've declared here. Got it? Initialized here. So fp of 0 is having the address of add,
Add
for
function.
example, 1000. Okay. fp of 1050. Okay, you can imagine that. Okay. Ash include is a first line. Okay. Sorry if it is, suppose if you are calling it. Okay. Suppose add function, you're calling it. Okay, add function. Okay, this will be the function definition. Sub function you're calling it. Div function you're calling it. Okay, multiply function you're calling it. Okay, so the function definition would be the address. Okay, here it will be 1000. Okay, then sub function should be there, right? That should be 1050. Then div function should be there, right? 1100 div function. Then 1150 is there, right? That is mul function. So 1000 in the sense, suppose if I'm going to call the add function with the help of function pointers, in the sense it is holding the address of 1000, directly it goes here. Suppose if I'm trying to call the subtraction function, what is the address here? What is the address?
1100.
Yes. This is 1150. Okay. So 1100, 1050 it has to go. Div function means 1100. Okay. Multiplication function in the sense 1150. Got it? So it is having the address of, what's the address? 1000, 1050, 1000, 1100, 1150. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one, you're getting the two values. What is this? How I'm calling it? Calling the add function, right? How I'm calling
So
it?
add function with x and y as the parameter.
X and Y are the parameters we are passing it. fp of 0 in the sense, what is the first one?
Add.
It is having the add, right? Add values 1000, right? 1000 memory location can be stored in fp of 0, where the control directly it goes.
To add function.
Add function, it is there, right? First one. Here
Yes,
the
sir.
control will go. Okay, directly the control will go. Okay, go here the first line. After that, it is executing the x and y and return a, where the control will come. Here it will come, right? Tell me here. After adding the x and y value can be stored in R, right?
Yes, sir.
That has to be printed here. Got it? Next one, we are calling the sub function, right? fp of 1 star fp of 1. So it is a sub function, right? Calling the sub function, right? Where the control will go. The control will go
Float
here.
sub.
The control will go here, right? X minus y will be added and returning it to where the control will be returning. Here it will be returning, right?
Yes, sir.
So, and it will be printing here. Next one, sub. What is this? fpt2 means this is a mul function, not a sub function. This is a mul function. So where the control will go? The control here will go. It will adding the two x and y, and where it will be returning. Here it will be returning it, and it will be printing it. And div, where it will the control goes. Where the control goes here. Here it will go, and it is dividing it. And again the a value can be returning here. Got it? You have any doubt? What's the output?
So all the
If it is 5 and
sum
7
feature
means
multiplication
all are multiple float values, right? Float value it is returning. These are all the sum of two numbers, difference of two numbers, multiplication of two values, and multiplication of two values. Got it? Division of two values. Do you have any doubt? Up to this,
No,
do you
sir.
have any doubt? What's the time?
It's 3:45, sir.
So, okay. Shall I take that up to this, the pointer concepts? That's clear. Your unit 4 is also completed. Check your unit 4. Is there anything is left?
Sir, I had a question. I think this is relating to pointers itself. In our E-lab, most of the questions in level 1 of pointers are using the malloc function from stdlib.
Oh,
So
memory
I-
allocation function is there.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. It was asking us to use that concept.
Okay.
So,
That
so
I'll teach you.
is
I'll
that
teach you.
yes? Is that I wanted to ask if that's for a portion, or is that not needed?
Morning itself, yes. In portion, it is not there. This is what the problem. Actually, your syllabus is somewhat different. Your E-lab is adding some more concept. Okay, knowing the contents is very useful only. Okay, I'll tell you the Macala concept.
Yes, because in E-lab, most of the pointer questions are using that
See,
concept.
okay. I'll tell you that is easy only. Morning itself, you told na that.
No,
the
sir, I
time
did
is-
tell in the morning.
Okay.
So can I just send this PPT, sir, which I was showing now?
Okay. Shall I? You want this content? That this marking.
Yes,
No, sir.
no need marking, sir. Just the content.
That I
Just the
saved.
only the
PPT.
Okay, if it is marking content is also fine, right? You can because I given saved save option I given.
Oh,
Yes, sir. It's okay.
No problem, right?
it's okay, sir. Fine.
Okay, fine.
You can send that.
I'll share it. No problem. Okay, shall I take the
The class
attendance?
recordings also.
Yes, I'll share it. Shall I take the attendance?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.